In this video of the Better Photography Weekly Challenge, we will be discussing the winners and honorable mentions of the contest Places of Worship. Our judge and mentor is Aslam Syed. Uh, Aslam Syed, alias Bombay Kashana, is an independent photographer and content creator. Aslam started Mumbai Rivers Photo Project, where he documents the rivers of Bombay. Through this series, he aims to create awareness about saving these rivers and how significant is the survival of Warli, Koli, and Agri communities in this mission. He has also displayed this work in 25 exhibitions along the banks of the rivers in the Goathans in Bombay. Moreover, Aslam is a co-founder of Halu Halu, a project focused on organizing walks around the city, and is a visiting lecturer at Nirmala College, Ramesh Sippy Film Academy, Ecole Institute Lab, and Shift Focus School of Cinema and Life. Currently, he's pursuing his master's in anthropology and a diploma in archaeology. Alan, welcome.
Thank you, Nilofer. Thank you so much, and thank you for allowing me to see these pictures of like very different, not different, very normal category called a place of worship, but it's very difficult to shoot very like a different and unique picture in this category, because mostly when we see pictures, they have been repeatedly shot from many decades, the same mosque, same masjid, and same temple and crowded landscape. So one thing we want to tell you people that we have not selected winners in mobile phone category because we don't have enough good pictures in this category. So we only have few honorable, we have mentioned few honorable pictures, and we'll see those pictures. So competition name was Place of Worship, and it's very simple. All over we see people praying or enjoying the event, festival events. So there are so many meaning to place of worship. Like we have a lot of festival are the one mode of praying our gods and goddesses. Okay, and there are so many ways. Like one of the ways you just sit in the corner and take the name of the god, right? So let us see what people have sent it and what we liked it. So this is the first picture. It's from Bombay. Dombili is very close to Bombay, and the photographer name is Hanif Tadvi. What I liked about this picture is the rural setup. Okay, there is no Jama Masjid, no stereotyping of people. गले मिलते ना नमाज में, वो नहीं हो रहा है इतना, क्लोजअप नहीं है. Normally we see a lot of people, they are embracing each other. काफी stereotype होता है. This is the first time where I'm seeing Eidgah in a rural setup. पीछे there is a beautiful farmland in the background, and the elders, they are praying, and the children are gathered at the back and waiting for namaz to get over. So very beautifully shot by Hanif Tadvi, a lovely bird eye view of Eidgah. Okay. I just want to say that this would have been a better picture. मुझे लग रहा है कि crop picture है. This is not a actual full picture. It's a crop picture, and थोड़ा सा कैमरा एंगल सही नहीं है, मतलब थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ है इधर, where it could have taken from some other side, from the left side. थोड़ा और लेफ्ट साइड जाता तो काफी अलाइन हो जाता पिक्चर. That's why it's not a winner picture. ये winning shot हो जाता actually, just because it was cropped and not taken properly. उतना एफर्ट नहीं लिया है, या probably वही ऑप्शन था खींचने का. Anyway, but I like this picture very much. Shot in a rural setup. ईदगाह है, गांव की एक ईदगाह होती है गांव के बाहर. Beautiful shot. So yeah. So the second picture is from Suvankar Bakchi from Kolkata, and I congratulate him for taking time to go and visit the village setup, where even now the rituals are very indigenous type, and there is a simpleness in the rituals. I see a lot of things over here. I see there are cow dung cakes layered on the wall. There is an old house, a beautiful palanquin and green and yellow color, and there is a jhalar, cloth jhalar. What I don't know what we say in English, red color. And these people are there in their own zone. Nobody's posing for a picture for social media. Even the devotees, they are sitting in the queue and waiting patiently for the ritual to happen. And there is a nali, छोटी सी नाली भी दिख रही है, वो प्यारी, गंदी नहीं है. Between the this people who are holding the palanquin and the people who are sitting. So absolutely wonderful picture. Super picture by Suvarnkar Bagchi. I love this picture. Next picture. Okay. So this is from Chennai. Satya Seelan. Very nice angle of the picture. The person has gone to another terrace and has shot this. It's already planned picture, nicely done, and urban setup, rural or semi-urban setup, colorful buildings around, yellow, green. Eid namaz is happening on the terrace. Family members, mix of genders, women are also participating in the Eid namaz. There is a small baby who is mingling in between among this in the prayer. So, and also they have keeping the rules and regulation of COVID etiquettes, whatever has to be taken. Nicely done, and yeah, great picture, Satya Seelan. Very nice. So there are few pictures from Sirsendu Gayan from Kolkata, and this is the first picture from him. A lowly house. There is a plank of wood where all the these frames are kept. Nice little mirror and comb on the right side. There is a tokri. And the great thing about this picture is the wall is textured with the stones and in blue color, and all other things are in warm color. That makes picture more appealing. Basically, this is what happens. Unknowingly, we take the picture, but actually the red frame, the tokri, there's a big background. All those colors are in warm colors, and the wall is textured blue color. So yeah, so beautiful picture. Yeah, we don't need to go to temple. We can sit here at the house and pray the God. With a very personal place, I will say. Very personal place. Yes, next picture again from Sirsendu Gayan. And the person bowing down and sitting at the statue makes the statue very giant. The giantness of the statue has been increased. Actually, this is a learning for a new photographers who are shooting this kind of stuff. The line of the devotee is again leading to the statue. Okay, that one point we need to note it down. There's a beautiful arch. Light is coming and falling on the face of the statue. Again, very important. There are two little pockets of window pockets. Again, breaking the darkness of the place, making it more interesting. Okay, so yeah, that's amazing picture, and very quiet and simple, not crowded, not stereotype picture. Sirsendu Gayan का अच्छा shot है ये. Next picture दिखाइए. And this is beautiful, amazing shot. I've never seen this kind of shot. Basically, when we see, I think this is a Banaras, and this is Gyanvapi Mosque in on the Ghat. Okay, I visited this place. That's why I remember this place. But this angle I did not see. I did not click. So this is Ganga, and there is Gyanvapi Mosque. ये ऐसा angle मैंने कभी life में देखा नहीं है. Where the bird eye view hai, people praying in etiquette, in disciplined way, and there is Ganga flowing across the frame diagonally. So there, if there is a rule of lines, there is a diagonal rule of line, and the frame is divided into two triangles. I will say lower angle is people praying, and upper angle is a water body. So that's again a beautiful rule of photography to tell the story. So hats off, Sursindhu. You have three pictures in honorable mention. So keep like good going. So yeah, Udayan Shankar Pal from Chennai. Okay. Uh, the moment I saw this picture, I remembered Pied Piper of Hamelin. He was told to like play his instrument to drive away all the rats from the city. But there are no rats over here. But when I saw this, when we used to be in school, there was a chapter on this, the Pied Piper and of Hamelin, where he used to play that pipe. So that silhouette, I still remember, and the same silhouette I see here of this young man who is playing this Shahnai. I don't know what instrument it is. I think it's Shahnai. The beautiful picture in front of the mosque is playing. The mosque is in green color. There are beautiful colors. I see RGB, red, green, blue, RYB, रेड RYB भी है, RGB भी है. Very simple rural setup है. Very prominent minarets of the mosque. Anindya Fani from Kolkata has taken wonderful shot where it's a reminder for us to see what is happening with our culture and heritage. Okay, there is rubble of the city at one side, and there is a very old, ancient, looks very old and ancient temple on the other side, and see what we are doing to it. So I think we should protect our heritage, and because we can't rebuild this kind of heritage, we don't have knowledge of building such kind of heritage, we don't have artists to create such kind of building. Okay, so this is a wonderful picture. I don't know why there is a rubble over here. Are they going to redevelop it? Are they going to make the bridge over here? What going to happen? We don't know. It's very, we can anticipate so many things. There is a building that is broken down on the left side. So I think that's deliberately done things, not because of the weather, because of the season. I don't think so. So thank you, Anindya Fani, for reminding us that we should support our heritage and protect it. This is once again a very beautiful shot. I think it's a Kashmir because I've seen in Kashmir the women visit temple mosque regularly, Eid namaz, and normally also they visit mosque to pray. I've seen this kind of custom in Southeast Asia where women do visit the mosque and they have praying times in the mosque. So beautiful architecture, wonderful architecture, a lot of windows, light windows. Very common scene actually when you take a mosque shot. But why I selected this shot, because there is a woman and she is praying. Okay, not very not very often we see the women praying in the mosque. And yes, the landscape, the architecture is in warm color and the lady is in cool color. Again, makes the picture appealing. And beautiful lines, roll of lines है, framing है, काफी सारे arches है. So yes, Anindya Fani, wonderful shot. Alok Avinash from Purulia. Hats off to you for this picture. You have taken this shot because you thought about that, even going to the farm output. I don't know what exactly, but this looks as a farm production, which these people, the women are bowing to it. There are two people who are playing the drums and not very concerned about who is taking the picture. They are into own thing. And the beautiful red circle and green, again, something green in middle. Aesthetically, it's so very beautiful picture. Creatively, very beautiful picture, I'll say. Rural setup. Wonderful picture. Now this is a very personal shot taken by Joby George in a personal space, and it takes a lot of efforts and time. The photographer should be patient to get into this kind of moment where the lady is into deep meditation, and she want to say something to God, what I can interpret. And I think that's in the reflection of a mirror where she is sitting in front of the TV or monitor, and maybe some live thing is happening on Asianet, some church live telecast, and she's must be a bedridden woman and very happy and glad to see that uh, church relics. So yeah, it's again very personal moment, and one more like time we are reminded that praying place can be anywhere, even in hospital or whatever, wherever it is. Yeah. Next slide. Okay, so we have smart photograph phone category now. We have only honorable mentions over here, no winners. So Pankaj Haroikar from Pune has taken a lovely shot. Maybe the lady is his grandmother who is holding religious text. So I see a lot of textures over here, like on the hair. There are nice lines on the hair. There are nice line on the book running vertical. The sari has beautiful texture, dotted texture, and the light is coming from the top. I think the window. She's holding in the light and looking at the text. So yeah, very different angle and lovely picture by Pankaj Harorikar. Next shot. Dipro Vishwas has noticed what we normally don't want to recognize or appreciate the thing. So normally in Bombay, when I'm going around on Friday, there are a lot of prayers happening on the road and street and public places, and we see a lot of this stuff happening around. The children are playing. There is a cycle going there, or a bike wala is waiting there to get namaz or like finish. And again, same similar kind of stuff is there. The lady is I don't know what exactly she's doing. Matlab, she is sleeping, but is she waiting for somebody who is praying at the mosque, or what? Is she's the shopkeeper who is just waiting to namaz get over? I don't know. But Dipro has taken this shot, which we have ignored and we don't want to see, or we don't want to appreciate. So thanks, Dipro Vishwas, to show this picture to us. Thank you so much. And yes, so the winners are, so some beautiful pictures from the honorable mention we have seen. Not honorable, but the pictures, the sequence of the picture where we saw these pictures. The third prize goes to S. Satyan Silan from Chennai. And I think this is the best. I don't want to say anything about wrong in this picture. Everything is right in the picture. You can't, I don't think so. You can't improve on this. But the other pictures are far better and different. Different. They are beautiful and in different way, I'll say. So congratulations, S. Satya Silan, for taking this lovely picture. Okay. Now we come to the second prize, won by Udayan Shankar Pal from Chennai. Both are from Chennai. So Chennai rocks now. So I love this picture. This is a poem for me. What a lovely picture. A musician going around in the village. There is a mosque, beautiful sunny day, lovely clouds over there. नीम का पेड़ थोड़ा सा वहां से झांक रहा है. एंड व्हाट अ सिल्वेट, कितना अच्छा सिल्वेट जैसा है. मतलब उसका प्रोफाइल कितना अच्छा आ रहा है. वो जो शहनाई है, टू हैंड्स होल्डिंग, उसका हेयर स्टाइल क्लियरली दिख रहा है. ही हैज सम झोला ऑन द राइट साइड. द राइट साइड का लेग जो है थोड़ा सा ऊपर है, उसका भी, उसमें से भी लाइट आ रही है. सो दिस इज अमेजिंग पिक्चर, उदयन शंकर पाल. green color, yellow color background. Hats off. I'll say all these pictures are amazing. All are very, very close pictures. Any of this picture could have been could have become number one picture. So the final category winner is Alok Avinash from Purulia. Such a lowly, lovely, candid, I'll say. There is no show off in the picture, and the people are bowing to the natural heritage, I'll say, that is why, or maybe we'll say vegetation or green, earth, whatever you may call. The real god is earth actually, and this is what we should pay tribute to it. So wonderful picture. There is a red circle, the women are bowing, and the two people in very simple clothes playing the drums. So I think I saw it and I say this is the number one picture. I never saw such kind of image in regular forums of photography. Hats off to Alok Avinash Purulia. Thank you so much, Nilofer, for allowing me to judge this kind of competition and better photography.
Thank you. Is there anything that you would like to add in terms of any tips or suggestions that you would like to give to all the winners that you've seen?
See, I'll say that basically this all category, mostly this category, I'll re-say it. The people who have selected in this category, in this competition, in honorable mention and the winners, mostly they have shot the rural setup of worship. I normally see a lot of high energy events in the urban setup where Holi, if you see Holi pictures, Holi festival pictures, Eid pictures, Diwali pictures, then we have Kumbh Mela pictures, and in Bombay we have Ganpati festival. So all basically these are urban setup, shot in urban setup, and we are fed up of seeing all these pictures from decades. We see same pictures again and again and again. So all these pictures which I have seen, I've selected and as in this category, where very, for me it was like a fresh air. Like I see a lot of stuff from rural where people are actually getting involved in the rituals without paying attention to the cameras, and they're into deep I'll say meditation. For when we see pictures of Eid and Diwali and Kumbh Mela, we see mostly the people they pose we see a lot of pose pictures where devotees are posing in front of the god. Kumbh Mela mein sadhus are posing. So this was a like very different and unique set of the pictures. So thank you all the photographers who have achieved this feat. Actually, I'll say